I'm from Sound Class 3 here. Today I am going to speak about the balanced diet and World Mosquito Day. The balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients our body needs in the right amount. These include carbohydrates, gas, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. They help us to grow, stay healthy, and remain active. Eating a balanced diet gives us energy to play, study, and do our daily activities. Strengthens our muscles, bones, improves immunity, and prevents diseases. Fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, pulses, whole grains, and nuts are also a part of balanced diet. We should avoid eating much of foods such as chips, chocolates, burgers, and supplements. They taste good, but they do not provide us nutrients our body needs. Along with eating a balanced diet, we should drink plenty of water and do exercise daily. In conclusion, the balanced diet is a key to a healthy life. Let us make a healthy choice and take care of our health. August 20 is observed as World Mosquito Day. In our surroundings, there are so many mosquitoes. It causes different types of diseases. Types of mosquitoes, Aedes aegypti, cause the diseases. Dengue, chikungunya, Zika fever, and yellow fever. Even Anopheles mosquito, malaria, culex, Japanese encephalitis, West Nile fever, filariasis. Malaria is an important mosquito-borne disease. Malaria is caused by a parasite called Plasmodium. It is caused because it spreads the human by a bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito. Common symptoms: fever, chills and shivering, headache, sweating. Body pains and weakness, neuralgia and vomiting, headache. In serious cases, confusion, unconsciousness, fits. Prevention. We should keep our surroundings clean and prevent mosquito breeding. We should avoid stagnant water near our houses and schools. We should use mosquito repellents. We should sleep under mosquito nets. Thank you.